15 minutes. Awesome workout, coach. Thank you, Barbara. And thank you, Richmond. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Claude Joseph. Okay, let's lie down flat on the mat. And then bring the hands right below our shoulders. Let's stretch those abdominals. So notice I'm also looking at the ceilings. Beautiful. Now, let's come down here. So bend your elbows, put them a little bit behind the shoulders. Now we're going to be pushing like this. The upper back. So when you go down, you're inhaling. Beautiful. Now, put the hands up here, palms facing down. Now, reach one foot over the other. Keep your shoulders on the ground. Let's go on the other side. So to make it easy, you look down. No, you put your chin on the mat. Beautiful. Now, let's come to the child pose. It's here. Make sure your arms are straight and you also elevate your elbow joint. Beautiful. Come up like this. Cross one leg behind the other. Now move your hands to the front until your forehead is touching down. So what this does, it stretches the glute. You will feel it in this side of the glute. So on the leg that is forward. Okay, cross otherwise. And then bring the hands to the front. Beautiful. Now, come here. This is neutral. This is the cow. So the cow, you push your chest as if you want to push it to the front, and you're also trying to look at the ceiling. And the cat, you're like this. You're trying to look at the navel. The back is rounded, and my palms are really pushing hard into the ground. Cow. Cat. Let's continue in the next round. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Neutral. Bring one foot to the front. Look under the shoe. If you can, bend the leg behind and then catch it and pull it. Hello, Tony. Provision INC. So This is one of the good stretches, stretching the quadriceps and the ankle joint. Let's switch the other leg to the front. Look under the shoe. If you can, bend the leg, then catch it and pull the leg or the ankle toward the glute. Beautiful. Now let's lie down and then bend the leg both together, catch them from the outside. Now you kick your legs into your hands and then you release. So release, you go back down, kick. You hold it like 1, 2, 3, you go down. Let's continue with this one. Kick. You can hold it the whole 30 seconds, then hold it. Kick. Down. Kick. Down. Kick. And hold. Beautiful. Now put your palms down, come to the knees, bring the hands a bit close. Now lift your knees until you are here into the downward facing dog. Take deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's go one more time. Now let's do this one, walking. So each time you switch to the other leg, the stretch is more intense. Beautiful. Let's come upright. Brenda and Laquita, spread your legs until your ankles are below the wrist. Now we're going to be doing like this, side to side. Beautiful. Now we're going to rotate the palms down, so as much as you can. So this is good for the shoulder joint. Stay here at the center. So with the camera, it's tricky to align horizontal. Beautiful. So now we're going to one side, like this. So align the shoulder, the hip. Let's come here. We go to the other side. Beautiful. Come up here. Now, this foot is looking outward. And now you come like this. So notice I'm losing the balance. Notice the palm is rotated, facing down. So now this side is being stretched. Find the balance. Beautiful. Come to the center. This foot is looking forward. This one is looking outward. Palm facing forward. And then like this. Come back to the center, bring the feet, cross them to the front, and then you bend forward. You keep your back straight. If you do this, you will feel that the stretch is not intense. So you really stretch the hamstrings properly when your back is straight. You don't have to touch the ground. The key point is to feel the stretch. Let's go on the other side. Beautiful. Now straight the legs again. And now you come, you bend to the front. You come, you touch here. And notice my hand is here pointing at the ceiling. Just stay here. And you can also, like hyper, bring your hand. Let's go to the other side. Let's come upright. Let's do some shoulder rolls to the back. Now you elevate, you bring them to the front. Once they're down, you bring them back, you elevate, you bring them to the front. This is the best music, says Laquita. Indeed, it calms and soothes the soul. Beautiful. Now put the weight of the hand on the neck. Let's go on the other side. You hold it like 5 seconds and then we switch. Let's go to the other side. Switch. Now let's put both of the hands in the back of the neck. Beautiful. Now let's do some breathing. So when the hands are coming up, you are inhaling. When they're coming down, you are exhaling. Namaste. If you want to join to be among the ambassadors, people helping this community to grow, all you have to do is to share the workout with 1 or 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassador. Thank you so much, guys, for always being here. If it was your first time on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a new workout comes up. Thank you so much. We deserve some